Hi guys, welcome back. At the top end of Jaime Avenue today, we've got Teddy Pizza, Bar Rio Mundo, Papa John's, and a pet wash place. Got the garage. That's where we get our gas from. Sadly, I wouldn't recommend them after a bad experience we had last year, me and Marcus. Got Happy Land there, little like play area place for kids. A laundry repair place there. Cafeteria Gloria, not open at the moment. As always guys, make sure that you've hit the like, hit the share and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.